Ever found yourself staring blankly at a mountain of receipts, wondering where all your money went? Or maybe you're tired of wrestling with clunky spreadsheets just to keep track of business expenses. You're not alone. Businesses of all sizes grapple with expense management, and that's where tools like Expensify step in. But the big question on everyone's mind, especially when considering a new piece of software, is, how much is Expensify going to set me back each month? It's a crucial factor in budgeting and deciding if it's the right fit for your needs. Now, Expensify isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. They understand that a solopreneur has vastly different requirements compared to a large corporation. Because of this, their pricing structure is tiered, offering various plans designed to cater to different levels of usage and complexity. Let's break down some of the core plans you'll typically see offered by Expensify. Keep in mind that pricing details can evolve, so it's always best to check their official website for the absolute latest information. One of their entry-level options is often aimed at individuals or very small teams. This plan usually includes the essential features like receipt scanning, expense reporting, and basic integrations. The cost for this can be quite affordable, often falling in the range of a few dollars per user per month. This is a great starting point if you're just looking to ditch the paper trail and streamline your personal or small business expenses. As your team grows or your needs become more sophisticated, Expensify offers plans with more advanced features. These might include things like multi-level approval workflows, more robust accounting integrations with platforms like QuickBooks or Xero, company card reconciliation, and deeper reporting capabilities. Naturally, these more comprehensive plans come with a higher per-user monthly cost. You might be looking at a price range of, say, $10 to $20 per user per month for these mid-tier options. For larger organizations with complex expense management requirements, Expensify typically has enterprise-level plans. These are often custom-quoted based on the specific needs of the company, the number of users, and the level of support and customization required. Features in these plans can be highly tailored and might include dedicated account management, advanced data analytics, and custom integrations with other enterprise systems. It's also worth noting that Expensify sometimes offers different subscription models, such as monthly versus annual billing. Often, opting for an annual subscription can result in a slight discount compared to paying month by month. So, if you're confident that Expensify is the right long-term solution for you, an annual plan could save you a bit of money. Another factor that can influence the overall cost is the number of active users on your account. Most of Expensify's plans are priced on a per-user, per-month basis. So, as you add more team members who need to use the platform, your monthly bill will naturally increase. Finally, keep an eye out for any potential free trials or introductory offers that Expensify might be running. These can be a fantastic way to test out the platform and see if it truly meets your needs before committing to a paid subscription. So, while there isn't a single definitive answer to how much is Expensify monthly, understanding their tiered pricing structure based on features and the number of users will give you a much clearer picture. Remember to visit their official website for the most up-to-date pricing details and to explore the specific features included in each plan. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.